Swang and Bang TV, you tuned in to Swang and Bang TV. It's your host network, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go state to state, we're gonna go from here to there, everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Right now we at Greens Point, Texas, you know what I'm saying? This the little park in Greens Point Park, you know what I'm saying? This ain't a park. That look, they go to the parking lot right there. I was telling y'all about earlier, I don't know if, you know what I'm saying? But that's the parking lot, so we can't put the slabs and stuff over there, you know what I'm saying? We end up having to go park over there at Sam's or somewhere, making a whole car show out there, you know, but you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go to some events, we're gonna go to some parks, and we're gonna show y'all some slabs, you know what I'm saying? So y'all really know what we talking about slabs, you know what I'm saying? We really talking about a car. It's called Swang and Bang TV because we ride on 84s and we swing, and the bang is the music. It ain't no gang thing, you know what I'm saying? So you thinking it's a swing and bang gang thing, it's really not that. It's all about the cars, all about the slab, and we're gonna introduce y'all that. We're gonna show y'all network, Swang and Bang TV, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna show y'all what a slab is and everything so y'all can get a clear understanding.